I put the lowered exhaust pipe on the Gyro, 1985 Gyro, and the freewheel, which is right here, and the back metal cover here. Now I'm going to put on the left wheel, and I have to put on after I put on the left wheel, which is right here, I'll put on the fender, which is right here, and then I'll put on the pipe last, and we'll see how it works. And then I'll get on to this right here. We're going to get on to putting that big motor in here. I'm going to have to totally tear this down, tear the front, tear the back off, tear everything off, repaint all the plastics. What I like to use when I'm painting the plastics is stuff called bumper black. It's a rubberized black, and it makes everything look new, even though they're really old panels. But I want to get this thing back on the road, and I think another hour I should have it. So everything is going to be put back together. Then I'll hook the battery back up, and hopefully it'll run better now that it doesn't have all that dust in there. But I'm just glad that I used my intuition to figure out that this bike, which was a good and a bad part about it. The good part about it is the guy ran it until the air filter got clogged at 1,200 miles and then decided to get rid of it, which it was in good shape. He put it in his barn for a number of years, and then about 8 years ago I saw it at a Honda shop. I looked it up on eBay because I'd never seen one before, and I went in there and bought it. And it's been a good bike so far. Oh, one more thing I've done is I have bought 2 of the left axle, not axle, but crankshaft seals, and I bought 2 of these rings that they still make. And I'm kind of kicking myself. I wish I would have bought more stuff when it was available, but as a bike gets older, it's like a Model A car. They stop making the tires. They'll stop making the left turn signal and the right turn signal. They'll stop making a fender. And that's just the way it is. So anyway, I'm going to get the wheel on there and see what it looks like.